Hello, my name is Lauren Klein, and I'm here with,
I'm here with Sam. Hello.
and we're presenting our project, which is inspired by Counter-Strike 2's smoke grenades, and more to that in within our documentation. But yeah, let's just get started. So we have quad here, which we use to when we get the scene started exactly, we can use the middle mouse button to spawn a smoke cloud that we managed to render. So now, um, exactly. So now how we did that, Sam will go into more detail with that.
So basically, we started with a volumetric voxel grid rendering basically. Um, so we have a voxel drawer which creates a voxel grid. We have a voxel size over here which is 0.5 at the moment, and it creates a buffer basically of voxels that will fit in a certain bounding volume. So this buffer would be 64,000 units of memory, or not units of memory, like positions long. Yeah,
Yeah.
voxels exactly. 64,000 voxels stored in that piece, um, and so once we did that, we added a debugging thing so we could actually see the voxels. So that's our volume at the moment. Um, with the middle mouse button, we can see it still here. With the middle mouse button, when you middle mouse, it starts to spawn voxels around that world position in the grid, and it'll expand slowly to create the volume. Okay, that's debugging done. Okay, a little bit about the actual, I guess, rendering of the smoke. So once we had our voxel grid, we had smoke that was instantiated, or not instantiated, but smoke particles that were in the voxel's memory. We had a ray casting or ray marching algorithm that ran on the camera. We use a compute shader to this, or for this, because it's fast and efficient. And we also had to downsample the image that it was using. I think it to an eighth of the normal size for performance, basically. So, is it still running? Oh, I'm not in the game view. I'm not in the game view. So, the ray casting, it shoots a ray. So for each pixel that it's working on, it will get the ray that it would make, that it shoots out the camera. So it's using the view frustum basically, and shooting rays along the view frustum, and it's sampling the rays every certain amount of steps. And if it reaches a smoke volume or a smoke voxel, then we draw it as a certain color. In this case, we're drawing it as a grey, and we're using shaders on top of that to affect the overall color. On top of this, we also used some distance functions after it's hit an original, like an initial smoke particle or smoke voxel. Once it's hit that, it keeps on going through, and it uses the distance function to try and add some fall off. So as you can see, instead of having just the voxels, I can actually change some values down here, and you'll see that it kind of goes back to voxels if these are set as 1. You see, like that, they're all squares again. But with these back down again, it smooths off. Anything else? Anything I'm missing, Lauren?
Well, I mean, we are going more in depth into like the little problem with the overlapping with the quad.
Oh yeah.
Like, um, yeah, kind of as you can see, we have the whole cloud, which is a whole circle, but should be like kind of cut off on the bottom. We had like some problems there, but in
Yeah.
the documentation, there's not talking about this. And for the rest, I would just recommend maybe moving the camera within the scene view,
Yeah.
just to show that's actually like a volumetric
Oh yeah,
thing.
can move it
We
over
don't
here.
have, yeah, we don't have the camera control
We
grid.
should probably do that at one point, but game, yeah,
Yeah,
it's a circle,
it's actual volume and not just
not
sprite.
just the sprite rendered to the screen.
Yeah.
It would have been nice if I could get the depth texture working, but it's good enough, right?
Mm. Yeah.
Wonderful.
So
Okay.
yeah, that's it from my side.
Yeah, I think we did. How long is the video? 5 minutes 53. It's in the time. Let's go. Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching.